हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग, मैं से डॉक्टर आर्यन और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे सम एफएफजी के इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू और टर्म बेबी वर डिलीवर्ड बाय एलएससीएस ऑन एग्जामिनेशन द बेबी हैज रेस्पिरेटरी डिस्ट्रेस चेस्ट एक्सरे फाइंडिंग शोड प्लूरल effusion and perihilar streaking. Which among the following is the treatment option for this condition? CPAP, insert technique to support, and no treatment required, usually resolve on its own. Option D is the correct answer because the usually no RX usually no RX required. Distress usually resolve and spontaneously in 48 to 72 hours. 48 to 72 hours. 42 to 72 hours. If we talk about the basic defect, delayed clearance of lung fluid, TTN is also called a delayed adoption. TTN also called delayed adoption. Clinical feature: term baby born by C-section, present with a mild respiratory distress soon after birth that improves spontaneously in 72 hours, with or without typical chest X-ray finding, fluid inter lobar fissure, pleural effusion, perihilar streaking, prominent bronchoscopal marking. If the we take what treatment, usually no RX required. Distress usually involve spontaneously 48 to 72 hours. Next question. A 30-year-old girl comes to the OPD complaining of breast tenderness. She is currently menstruating. On examination, the physician told that her symptoms are likely due to menstruation. What breast changes are seen in 10 stage 4 development of puberty? Projection of papilla only areola and papilla form a secondary mound and further enlargement of the breast areola. The correct option is the option B. Areola and papilla form a secondary mound because these are the changes in the breast seen in stage 10 or 4. क्या होता है इधर स्टेजेस ब्रेस्ट स्टेज फर्स्ट में प्री प्यूबर्टल होता है स्टेज फर्स्ट में. स्टेज 2 enlargement of the areola, evaluation of breast and papilla. थर्ड स्टेज में फर्दर enlargement of breast and areola. स्टेज फोर्थ में areola and papilla form a secondary mound. स्टेज 5 में mature stage projection of papilla only. Next question. In which condition is a positive tragus sign observed? Localized otitis externa is the best answer because the tragal sign refers to the tenderness selected upon manipulation of pressure applied to the tragus of the कहाँ पे ईयर में. In localized otitis externa, commonly known as furunculosis, there is a staphylococcal infection of the hair follicle in the external auditory canal. Tragus sign is positive, indicating tenderness upon touching the tragus. Next question. What is the expected molecular mass of the BCL-ABL fusion protein in case of ALL? 190 kD is the best answer for the ALL. For the ALL, acute lymphoblastic leukemia, BCR-ABL fusion protein typically weight कितना होता 190 kDa. इन CML में क्रोनिक माइलोइड ल्यूकेमिया में BCR-ABL कितना वेट होता है 210. इन CNL में क्रोनिक न्यूट्रोफिलिक ल्यूकेमिया में BCR-ABL फ्यूजन प्रोटीन टिपिकली वेट कितना होगा 230 kDa. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द आइडियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू मेजर द डिग्री ऑफ प्रोट्रूजन इन एन एडल्ट? Naughle, exophthalmometer, Hartel, Exophthalmometer is the best answer because the Hertel exophthalmometer is specifically designed for measuring the degree of exophthalmos. Exophthalmos means protrusion of the eye. Exophthalmos means protrusion of the eyes. It consists of a device with two arms that can be adjusted to touch the lateral orbitals of rims of each eye. The distance between the arms indicates the degree of protrusion. It is specifically used for measuring the degree of protrusion in adults. And Nagal exophthalmometer is used to measure the non-axial protrusion. And Lude is used for measure degree of protrusion in children. So today that's all. Thank you and keep watching.